Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna put this cab onto a Bobcat, and before we do that there's actually an original bushing, no, it's not a bushing, what is it called? Maybe it is bushing, but anyway, there's a rubber part that goes in here, and that part burned out completely, but the outer ring, well, let me show you what I'm talking about. This is it right here. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah, I think you can see it. Okay, so yeah, this is the part that I'm talking about. The rubber part actually burned completely, and the bolt and the inner part was removed by someone else, because the cab was just thrown into the Bobcat. But this outer part is still in here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a sawzall and make a cut in one side and the other side. Just like that. Alright, let's clean this hose a little bit, and then we'll attempt to put a new bushing in. And we are in. Okay guys, so found pieces. One is fine. This one is pretty rusty, so what I'm gonna do real quick, sandblast it and then spray it with the spray paint. Brand new. This is the right side. I actually already installed a brand new shock, and what I really want to do is actually spray this original stopper casing also, just to give it a fresher look. Okay guys, so these parts are dry, so let's put them on. Okay, now is the easy part, just to put a cab in its place, and it's just like that. It's all done. Well guys, this is gonna be it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.